Hello and welcome back to Miss McCrae's math class. Today I will be showing you how to do long division with a remainder. If you haven't watched my last video, I'm going to link that in the description. That video goes over division without remainders. So watch that first and then come here if you don't know how to do that already. So we'll start the same way that we started in our last video with writing our steps down. Does McDonald's sell burgers? And we need to do the steps of division, multiplication, subtraction, and bringing down. All right, so we start here with our dividend. We'll start with the 8, and we need to divide. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then we multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract. We get 0. We need to bring down the 6, and then we start over. 6 divided by 4. Obviously, it can't be done perfectly, but another way to ask this is how many times does the number 4 go into the number 6? Or how many groups of 4 can we pull out of the number 6? The answer is 1. So that was our division step. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract. We get 2. All right, there's nothing left to bring down. We filled both spots up here. So the number at the bottom is a remainder. All right, so 21R2. How you check this is similar to the way that you check it without a remainder. So you're going to multiply your quotient or your answer by your divisor, and then you'll add your remainder to it. So 21 times 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. We get 84, and then we need to add the remainder. So we get 86, and as long as the answer is equal to your dividend, you know that your answer was correct. Let's take a look at our next problem, 94 divided by 3. We'll start here with the first number in our dividend, 9 divided by 3. Put our answer up here, 3. Does McDonald's sell burgers? Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Okay, so we did division. 3 times 3 is 9. We need to subtract and bring down the 4. Now we start back up at the top. 4 divided by 3. Well, we can't do that exactly, but how many times does 3 go into 4? 1 time. So that was divide. Now we need to multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. We subtract, and we get 1. There's nothing left to bring down. We've filled both spots of the place value here. So the 1 is our remainder. How we check it is we take our quotient or our answer and multiply by the divisor, and then we'll add our remainder. So 31 times 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And then we add the remainder. It's 94. And as long as that is equal to your dividend, you know that you're right. All right, let's try one that's a little bit trickier. 300 divided by 7. So we start at the same place. We can put our steps down. Does McDonald's sell burgers? Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Okay, 3 divided by 7, we can't do it. So we can put a 0 up here to hold that place value or just skip to the next place value. Your choice. When we skip over here, our answer is going to go up here, and we're now looking at the number 30. So we have 30 divided by 7, right? 30 divided by 7. Can't do it exactly, but the closest is going to be 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Then we subtract. We get 2, and we bring down. Now we have 20 divided by 7, right? Again, we're not going to get an exact number, but 7 can go into 20 twice. So 2 times 7 is 14. And that's going to give us 6. We can't bring anything else down. We can't do anything else. All of our place value spots are taken up here. So that's going to be a remainder. 42 R6, remainder 6. And I usually erase this or don't write it at all because we don't really need it, but it's nice to put it there just to keep track of what part of the place value we're at. So let's go ahead and check our answer. 42 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 1 is 29. Then we add our remainder, which is 6, right? 10, 10, 300. That's how you know you're correct. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope that was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and leave me a comment if you have anything specific that you need to see how to do or that you need help with. Bye.